Welcome back to my channel, everyone. I am back with a shoe reveal. There was a recent TSV on QVC with the Vionic flip-flops, and I thought that I would pick them up mainly because the color red, of course, caught my attention. It's really difficult to find good quality shoes in red in the summertime. They're always too flat, or they just don't have any good support. So I decided to pick those up. I am currently just in my Nike slides. I'm sure everyone's familiar with those. My goal today is to see if I can recreate that demo that Lim Burke creates on QVC to see whether or not the Vionic sandal actually does anything to my arch. So here is the flip-flop. It says rust, but the color according to QVC was red. And they actually have red on this side of the box in a size 10. And it's called the Tide. That's the name of the shoe right there. Tide Performance. And here is what it looks like. I'm a size 10 medium for size comparison. And so here is the tread difference on the shoes. Of course, Nike is in the black here on the left, and the Vionic is on the right. And from a support standpoint, the Nike does have a little bit of arch support in here, but nothing compared to the Vionic. You can almost see the difference between those on camera, and then just kind of look at what Nike does. Can't even see the difference there. All right, so I'm gonna try them on. So I've attempted to draw on my leg the diagram that Lim Burke uses on QVC to demonstrate the orthotic support in his shoes. I don't have a completely flat arch in my foot. I do have an arch, but I do have, I guess, some of that rolling or pronation. I think that's what he calls it. And then there is the front drawn from my middle toe. So I just want to see if anything changes when I step into the Nike. I don't notice anything different. I can absolutely feel, of course, there's a little bit of arch support in the Nike slide compared to just standing on the floor. But again, having the line drawn on the side of my foot, my heel is still rolling. So let's try the Vionic. All right, I notice there is a noticeable difference in the feel of the actual arch. I don't feel like my foot is rolling to the inside, so that's a good thing. I can definitely feel a difference in the support, but what I don't notice is any change in the arch for me. I can tell that my foot is not rolling, but I'm not noticing a change in my arch other than I feel better arch support. So that's my attempt to recreate. And again, I can definitely tell a difference in the fact that my foot is not rolling into the inside, but other than feeling the arch support, not a significant difference. Love the color. Love the fact that they're going to give me much better support and probably longevity compared to my Nike slides. These will be great for running out. I can't wear them to work because I'm in a closed toe, closed heel environment right now. But for the weekends, for running around the house, for errands, for going to check the mailbox, those kinds of things, I think these will be great. And I'm sure that my feet will thank me for it. So thank you so very much for watching. Until next time, take care.